now for our stars of the show. I'm going to introduce our guest chefs here. All right, we have lovely Miss Osleen and Anna, and we should have Wanda joining us today as well. And we'll have to, hopefully she can hop on at some point. All right, well, they are also fellow homemade members, and we'll introduce you one by one. So Osleen, if you would just let us know where you're joining us from today, what you are cooking, and what program you're in and where you are in the program.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. I appreciate I was chosen to be on the homemade show. My name is Osleen Rock, and I'm from New York, Queens, New York. I started the homemade show while COVID bound, and because it had told me that 50, 60, 70 years were able to change their lives by cooking themselves, by listening. So I decided to join the program. I finished that program and I started a 21-day program. I think that's about finished too. So I was chosen today to cook. What I'm cooking today, I'm making a salad with a regular salad, red cabbage, celery, chickpeas, red onions, cucumbers, and I'm making pasta with pesto and basil, and I'm making salmon cakes. So I have a whole meal.
Ooh, sounds amazing. And Osleen, are those, did you end up going with any of the recipes from the program, or are these your own?
Yeah, the salad is from the program.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I forgot my sweet potatoes.
Oh, you've got more on the plate.
Potatoes, and it's going to be stuffed with spinach. And yes, and that is from the program. The salad is from the program. The only thing is not from the program is the salmon cakes. So I just want to introduce you to salmon cakes. Instead of just grilling the salmon, you could make it another way. So that's what I'm doing.
Yay. Okay. Oh my gosh, you're taking on a lot. That sounds amazing. You're going to be set for meals for the weekend. And ladies at home, so all the recipes from the program we will share with you. So if you'd like to make any of these dishes that you see today, oh, Wanda's hopping on, yay. Okay.
There she is.
Hi, Wanda. Yay, lovely to see you. Okay, I'll let you get set up there, Wanda, and we'll carry on here with our introductions. But yes, ladies, so any of the recipes from the program today that you see, we will share those. So we'll put together a little email if you want to email in at the end, and we'll email out all the recipes that you see today if you want it, if you're inspired to make anything. Okay, thank you so much, Osleen. Well, you've got a lot going on there, so we'll let you get to work. Miss Anna, if you would like to tell us where you're joining from and what you're making tonight and what program you are doing.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. I'm Anna Jumis. I'm from Manassas, Virginia, and I started the program a couple weeks ago. I'm kind of focusing right now on the 21-day reset. In as such, the recipes that I'm making this evening are in the 21-day reset booklet. And what I'm making this evening is the hearty chickpea salad with blueberry, which is amazingly delicious. I've made it already a couple of times. My husband can't get enough of it. And I'm making the blackberry and vanilla pudding, which is a new recipe for me. I've not made that yet. So they're both very fast, very easy recipes, beautiful. They have elegant color. And that's what I love. I love eating the colors of the rainbow. So in general, that's probably a good rule of thumb. So.
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, we're satisfied just as much with our eyes as we are through all of our other senses. So making your food beautiful really goes a long way in that satisfaction factor with your food. So you're spot on there.